Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is video number 20 of the 24-day overview of Schumann's Traumerei. And in this video, we are going to be digging deep into the pedaling for measures 19 and 20. If you watched the video a couple of days ago, we did that for measures 17 and 18. I'm doing this because these measures are the same as they were at the beginning. So I wanted to offer you another layer in your piano practice. So we'll start with some visuals of the foot so you can see some of those mechanics and how quickly your foot is actually moving. And then we'll look inside the piano so you can see how those dampers work to create a sustained sound. So now let's just get started looking at the foot. All right, now we're going to take a look at the pedal view for 19 and 20 from the foot. You want to make sure your heel's on the floor, and the faster the pedal, the closer on top of the pedal you want to keep your foot. So I have 3 options to show you. These all have a lot of pedals. Pedaling option 1 will feature every beat in measure 19 and then pedal on beat 1, 2, 4, and then in measure 21, beat 1. And that'll sound like this. Play pedal, play pedal, play pedal, play pedal, play pedal, play pedal, hold, play pedal, play pedal. Option 2 will have every beat in measure 19 plus the and of 4 where we have those chords that are moving up together, just to clear that. And then every beat of measure 20, and that will sound like this. Play pedal, 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 play pedal. And our final version is going to be what we just had for measure 19, and then in measure 20, starting on beat 2, pedaling for every single 8th note that the left hand has in that lower voice. And that will sound like this. Play pedal, now pedal on every single one of these. Keep your foot really glued to that pedal. All right, now we're going to take a look at the dampers inside of the piano so you can see what the dampers are doing when we are using our foot in that manner. All right, so here's the top view of the pedal inside my grand piano. If I press the pedal down, all those black things, which are called dampers, lift up. So this allows for that continuous sound that sometimes we can't even reach the notes for. And then if I play a single note, you'll just see those single dampers raise. So I'm going to go through all of the pedaling for measures 19 and 20. Option 1 is going to be every beat plus beats 1, 2, 4, and 1. So that's going to look like this. Starting pick up to 19. Quickly. Option 2, the option we just had before, plus adding pedals on beat 4 in measure 19, plus every beat in measure 20. And that looks and sounds like this. Pedaling option number 3 is similar to what we just did. However, in measure 20, we're going to have pedal on every single eighth note starting on beat 2. And that looks and sounds like this. So that's it for measures 19 and 20, pedaling. I hope that you found it helpful, and I just want you to know that pedaling is kind of a long-term project. I still work on my pedaling all the time, and I think it's one of the most difficult things about piano playing, actually. So do your best. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate the subscriptions that are coming in. I appreciate that you're sharing with others who might enjoy this style of teaching, which is very detailed, I know. I also appreciate the donations that come through on PayPal or the YouTube Super Thanks. If you don't know how to do the YouTube Super Thanks, if you're looking at your screen, on the bottom you'll see these buttons like share, save, and then there will be one of those 3 dots buttons. You can click on that, and if you see the word thanks, then you can send me any amount that makes sense to you, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. As always, thank you for watching.